First of all, we know there are a lot of established studies basically looking at different nudges. But then when you look at all those literatures together, the results are somewhat mixed. So it depends on different context. Sometimes the same kind of style of nudge would work in one particular environment, but not in others. So that's why we kind of want to understand what is about nudge, that what are the differentiating factors that potentially can help us understand why it works in a particular scenario, but not in others. So that's the first reason. The second reason is in economics, nudge is kind of a new, more hip thing that coming out to economics. But if you go back to the basics about economics, the principle number one is incentives matter. So that's why we also want to benchmark it against, the golden rule, which is incentives, trying to understand, okay, so compare with the hardcore incentives, how does nudge fare? Obviously, we know that nudge is very subtle. It's not going to be as powerful. That we know. So we want to just put them aside to see, how do they compare in the same context.